Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Snapchat in laptop or PC in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type store. We'll be having this Microsoft Store. Open it, and here in the search bar just search for Snapchat, and here we'll be having the Snapchat app. Select this and just click on get. This will take some time to download and install. Just wait for a while. Once it is done, we'll be having the open option over here, and if I go to search and type Snapchat, we'll be having the Snapchat app. You can create a desktop shortcut or pin it to taskbar. So just open it, and you'll be automatically getting these options. If you want to create a desktop shortcut or pin it to taskbar, you can click allow or don't allow. That's basically up to you. And that's it. Just sign in and start using it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.